Hi guys, thanks for tuning in today. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, and I'm Tanya, and today we're going to make a fresh margarita from scratch. Okay, so I want you to look at my how to make fresh lemonade video. So we're going to use fresh lemonade. Just for one serving, I got 8 ounces of my fresh lemonade. I made a simple syrup, which is I use, like for a small batch, just use 2 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar, maybe 1.5, but I don't, for bar services, we don't want it too sweet, but we do want our drinks to be sweetened, but not like overly sweetened. Okay, so lemonade is the foundation. I'm using Patron. This is how to make a Patron margarita. This is my favorite. I'm a tequila drinker when I do drink, and Patron is my favorite. So how to make a Patron margarita. This is about $25. So instead of buying a whole bunch of cheap drinks, cheap alcohol, I just splurge and just get, what I like. And so people don't have to keep coming. They won't keep coming back when you give them the good stuff. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I got my margarita glass, and just let me bring you guys down. Okay, first I'm going to rim my margarita glass. I'm going to saturate the rim with lime juice and put it in the margarita salt. Okay, that's all I need. I like just a nice little rim. Okay, put that aside. Then 1 cup of my fresh lemonade. And then I'm just going to put 1 shot of tequila in here. It's 1 ounce. Okay. And then 1 cup of lemonade. All right. That's in my shaker tin. Make sure you put the cap on. Hold it from the bottom. Hold it there. That took a minute. Okay, so you're going to hold it by that rim. Make sure that it's secure. Strain in our cocktail. So that's a good 9-ounce cocktail. That's the average. You have 1 ounce tequila, 8 ounces of your mixer. Going to garnish with the lime, and we're going to taste. They don't get any better than this. Fresh everything. The stuff in those bottles, they're excellent. If you just can't get enough for fresh ingredients. But, and you need a whole lot. But if you can, you're working from your home or doing a small party, fresh is the way to go, baby. Yes. Patron Margarita. Hi guys. Hey everybody. Tanya here. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm working the bar today. I'm at home here, and I'm going to make watermelon margarita today. A Patron, my favorite tequila, Patron Watermelon Margarita. What we're going to need, need the watermelon juice that I made in my other video. Check that out. We're going to need I'm going to just use 1 shot of tequila, Patron, my favorite. We're going to need my homemade lemonade, and there's a video on that. And then we're going to use half of a lime. All right, so first of all, and I'm going to use my margarita glass here. And so let me bring you guys down and show you how I'm going to rim this glass. Okay, I got my rimmer here, and I'm gonna take my glass and moisten the rim in lime juice, and then just stick it in the salt. Nice little rim. That's all I need. You can get these out at Amazon. These are a fixture on my bar. I do a lot of margaritas because that's my favorite drink and people seem to like it. Okay, now to make a traditional, a good 9-ounce cocktail, I filled my shaker up. Now this is just going to be chilled. You can also do frozen. You can do it on the rocks. But this recipe is just going to be strained in the glass. Okay, so I got my jig here, and I'm going to use 1 ounce of tequila. Okay. And I'm going to take a 1/2 cup. The thing about making drinks is balance. You need a balance of the liquor, the sweetener, and the fruits. So it's not easy to get a balanced drink. Then I'm going to take a 1/2 ounce of a 1/2 cup of my watermelon juice. Okay. Mix it up. I'm going to make sure it's like I like it. Absolutely perfect. Okay. Pour it in the shaker. Got a little left over too. All right, I'm going to squeeze some lime juice in here. Let me squeeze my lime juice. Even you're gonna put it on the rocks. Add your ice to it. Let me drink this. That's dope. That's perfect. Perfectly balanced. Yes. Then garnish it with the lime. And that is our watermelon margarita. Yes, ma'am. And if you like your drinks a little stronger, 1.5. Most margaritas are like 2 ounces. But I'm working today, so it's just 1 ounce, rest juice, and this is how the ladies like it. All right, one more sip. Really like that. Patron is smooth. Love it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. And I hope you got something out of this video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that subscribe button if you're new. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody. Bye, Mom. Thanks for supporting.